Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something really interesting. Is the future of cryptocurrencies risky? Cryptocurrencies are getting more popular, but are they safe or not? Let's find out. Segment 1: Understanding Cryptocurrencies. First, let's understand what cryptocurrencies are. They're digital or virtual currencies that use special coding to keep them secure. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, but there are many others too. These currencies work on something called blockchain technology, which makes transactions safe and independent. Segment 2: Benefits of Cryptocurrencies. Now, let's see why people like cryptocurrencies so much and what makes them special. 1. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies can help people who don't have access to regular banks to manage their money. 2. Low fees. When you use cryptocurrencies for transactions, the fees are usually much lower compared to regular banks. 3. Quick and easy. You can send and receive cryptocurrencies quickly, anytime, and anywhere, without needing middlemen. Segment 3: Risks associated with cryptocurrencies. But wait, there are risks too. Let's check them out. 1. Price changes. Cryptocurrency prices can go up and down really fast. It's like a roller coaster ride. 2. No safety net. Cryptocurrencies aren't regulated like regular money, so there's a risk of scams and fraud. 3. Security worries. Sometimes bad people can hack into the systems and steal cryptocurrencies. 4. Watch out for bubbles. Some experts think the value of cryptocurrencies could suddenly drop, like a balloon popping. Segment 4: Mitigating risks and responsible investing. Okay. So how can we stay safe and smart while dealing with cryptocurrencies? 1. Do your homework. Always research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Know what you're getting into. 2. Don't put all eggs in one basket. It's better to spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to lower the risk. 3. Keep it safe. Use a trustworthy wallet to keep your cryptocurrencies safe from thieves. 4. Be careful. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Crypto can be unpredictable, so it's not like saving money in the bank. Bonus segment: Advancements in crypto security. And here's a little extra for you: some cool ways people are making cryptocurrencies more secure. 1. Extra protection. Some websites and apps now ask for more than just a password to keep your account safe. 2. Smart contracts check. Experts are checking these special contracts to make sure they don't have any problems. To sum it up, cryptocurrencies are exciting, but they come with risks. Being informed, doing your research, and investing responsibly can help you make smarter choices. Remember, it's essential to be careful with your money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative stuff. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.